Chimney. This is an entirely new deficiency or an entirely new inspectable item in NSPIRE. We did evaluate exterior chimneys as part of the exterior wall under UPCS, but the definition focused more on the structural aspect than the exhaust of products of combustion. The new inspectable item, chimney, is defined as a vertical or near vertical passageway connected to a fireplace or wood-burning appliance. Common components include the visible flue, a firebox, brick, concrete, masonry block, wood framing, clay, natural stone. For more information, ventilation of combustion gases from fuel-burning appliances should be evaluated under the respective item's standard, including but not limited to heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and water heater. The definition then goes on to say a ventless fireplace should not be evaluated under this standard. This item has two deficiencies. Looking at my simplified definitions, these are not official, they're simplified definitions. Deficiency 1 says, a wood-burning chimney is incomplete or damaged, so it's unsafe. Deficiency 2 says, a chimney exhibits signs of structural failure. Notice that deficiency 1 can be cited for units inside and outside, while deficiency 2 is strictly an outside defect. In every case, these are considered life-threatening and carry the maximum scoring value for your property. In this case, we're going to assume that this is a 25-unit sample, so a property of about 100 units. That maximum value is about 2.4 for a unit deficiency, 2.18 for inside, and 1.98 for outside. Let's call it 2.4, 2.2, and 2 points. Let's look at the longer official language on this to see what HUD actually says in the written standard. Deficiency 1 says, a visually accessible chimney, flue, or firebox connected to a fireplace or wood-burning appliance is incomplete or damaged so that it may not safely contain fire and convey smoke and combustion gases to the exterior. Deficiency. A visually accessible, that is, it can be reasonably accessed and observed, chimney, flue, or firebox connected to a fireplace or wood-burning appliance is incomplete. That is, there's evidence of a previously installed component that is now not present, such that it may not safely contain fire and convey smoke and combustion gases to the exterior. Then we've got a very similar statement that says, a visually accessible, that is, can be reasonably accessed and observed, chimney, flue, or firebox connected to a fireplace or wood-burning appliance is damaged rather than incomplete or missing, such that it may not safely contain fire and convey smoke and combustion gases to the exterior. More information. If a fireplace is intentionally decommissioned, for example, it's sealed, it's not positioned for use, then do not evaluate it under this deficiency. More information. For the purpose of this inspection, the ash cleanout should be considered as part of the firebox and therefore evaluated under this deficiency. For purpose of this inspection, the inspector should not go on the roof to evaluate the chimney. If a fireplace is intentionally decommissioned, sealed, not positioned for use, then do not evaluate it under this deficiency. Deficiency 2 says, a chimney exhibits signs of a structural failure. Deficiency. The chimney exhibits signs of structural failure such that the integrity of the chimney is jeopardized. For more information, examples of chimney failure include, but are not limited to, misaligned, detached, leaning away from the building, collapsed, imminent danger of collapse. So that's the entirety of the language for this deficiency. This is Michael Gant for the Inspection Group and REACT Guru. Thanks for joining us. Please like this video if it was helpful, and please consider subscribing to the channel.